One of the things I see a lot is all companies start with an idea and some risk. But somehow over time, the willingness to continue to try new things and take risks diminishes. And it seems to me, and maybe you agree or disagree, I'm interested in your take on it. Once that ability to take risks diminish, it just starts to be the end, whether it's the end quickly or the end over a decade or whatever. You have to take risks, I think, to continue to be relevant. Do you feel that that's what you guys have done to be relevant for so long?
Oh, yeah. I think you can't avoid that. You're right. And staying still is going backwards.
Yep.
Right. And that's sort of what you're saying. And that's 100%. We understand that we cannot be like that. That's why I believe, fortunately, we are all lifelong learners.
Mm-hmm.
We're involved in our industry association, involved in all types of organizations, because we need to learn.
Mm-hmm.
We need to know what's out there and then determine what's the best course for us. I mean, we have certainly made strategic adjustments. And, today, I think part of the reason why I'm so passionate about what you're doing and what we're doing is, our success rises and falls ultimately with manufacturing. And so we know that everything we can do to help manufacturing, that's going to help us.
Mm.
And we've got the long-term view. So we know that we're okay. We'll get through this and we'll be much better on the other side.